Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So if you are new here, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. So in today's video, we are going to talk about a common issue that many of us face. That why is Samsung washing machine take longer than as usual? So the first reason why your washing machine taking longer time as usual is overloading. So it is a overloading. When you put too many clothes in the washer, it has to work harder to clean them, which can increase the washing time. To avoid them, you can make sure you can follow the manufacturer guidelines for the maximum load capacity. Okay? And the second reason could be using the wrong cycle or setting for your laundry. For example, if you select heavy duty cycle, like right now it is on a normal mode. So when you switch it into a delegates or a soak plus normal, so it can take more time as usual. Okay? And the another reason is that a filter or a pump issue. Means like when you are don't clean your washing machine from many days, so a pipe may be blocked. So you can simply select a Eco Tub Clean to clean its pipe and then increase the efficiency of your washing machine. And the another reason is that when you select more water, or you can select a wrong function. To clean this, you can prevent the clean filter and pumps regularly according to the manufacturer instructions. You can read the user manual to clean your washing machine. So, if none of the above reasons apply, it may be due to a fault components such as damaged motor or broken belt or a manufacturing control panel. In this case, it's best you can contact to a technical support of the Samsung washing machine. You can simply reach out to the customer support service and then provide them your issue, and then wait for some time. After that, a technical assistant will reach to your home, and after that they will inspect your washing machine and then they will fix it. And that's it for this video. If you have any question or suggestion, leave them in the comment below. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.